to Disruptive Teaching. Today we are going to talk about a Chrome extension called Loom. So again, in order to get an extension, you are going to go to the Chrome Web Store. We're going to search for Loom. This extension looks like this in the Chrome Web Store. Again, you're going to click Add to Chrome. Once it's installed, it's going to look like this little icon up here. The way that Loom works is when you click on it, it's going to say I can't load on this page, so we're going to go back to frogs because it's my go-to page. When I click on Loom, it is going to give me a recording, kind of a menu over here on the right-hand side. It's going to show me, hi guys, down here on the corner. If I do not want to see the camera, I'm going to click screen only, so that will go away. So if you don't like your face on camera, you can pick screen only, or you can pick cam only if you just want to record yourself talking. You also can pick your full desktop or just the current tab that you are in. Once you have picked those, you're going to click start recording. It's going to give you a countdown, 3, 2, 1. You now can talk, you can record your screen, anything that you would like to do. Once you are done with it, you're going to click the green button that says finish recording. Loom takes you out to this website. This is loom.com. This is where your video will live. So this video does not go out to YouTube or anywhere else. It simply goes to Loom. It's going to give you a link to your video. You can change the privacy as much as you would like here. And once you copy link, you can send this link off in an email or anywhere else that you would like so people can see what it is you'd like to do. Thanks for joining us at Disruptive Teaching.